MONIFOOZ Tech. Just leverage technology.
I don't know who you are. I don't know what you want. If you're looking for ransom, I can tell you I don't have money. But what I do have, I have set of videos in this channel. Videos I've made for a couple of times. Videos that boast people like you. If you watch my videos and subscribe my channel now, that would be the end of it. I'll not look for you. But if you don't, I'll look for you. I'll post many boring videos and I'll keep irritating you. Good luck. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. This is Muzammil Ali and you're watching my YouTube channel MONIFOOZ Tech. By this time you have guessed it what I'm talking about. Yes, this is about face blurring. How to blur the face using face parsing method. Why do I need this feature? What is the purpose of blurring the face in the first hand? If you don't have any permission to use others' face for the purpose of copyright or privacy reason, you can use this feature. You can ask me other question. This feature is already available in YouTube editor. Then why I need to use this? What is the purpose? The reason is straightforward. You are learning how to implement this feature with packages in Python. In a nutshell, you learn how this feature works at the background, how to implement this feature by yourself, and you have the entire source code available for you to look. Before jumping into the further section, if you are a new viewer for this channel, please subscribe my channel. I'll be posting content around this Python. Let's take a look into the working principle of this feature. Initially, the original image is resized into 512 by 512, which is passed to face parser network that gives the face mask. Resized image is further blurred, and with the help of face mask, we are getting the foreground extracted. The next step is to get the background extracted. The face mask is inverted to get the inverted mask. With the help of original image, we are getting the extracted background. Last step is to get the final image with original size. We are merging the foreground and background, and then we are resizing back to get the final output image. This is what the entire step as shown here. This is the annotation map for all the face components. BiceNet provides the output as 512 by 512 grayscale. Each value in the pixel represents this value. Alright, let's run the demo with the help of the newly implemented files. Before going to the demo, I'll show you what are the files I have added newly. This is add face blur underscore image.py. This is the usage file for the package face blur. The main library I've used is facexlib, which in turn uses face parser. That is what I am going to use for doing the face mask. The logic is straightforward. In this add face blur, we are going to use the net, which is modified by net, which will give all the face related components like eye, ear and so on. This is where I am parsing, this is where I am getting all the parsed annotation to make a face mask. Okay, without wait, let's run the program. Initially, I'm going to run without modifying the base parameters. That is, I'm going to run on this me.png file, and you'll be getting the output right now. Yes, you got the output. You can see the exact face mask and the blurred version of that. As a second test case, let me run the program for images which doesn't have any face. Okay, we have already the image which doesn't have any face but the background alone. Let me run the program without typing in here, and I just modified the parameter as sample.bg.png. Now you got the output, but it doesn't throw any error. Even if there is no any phase in the image, it will run without any problem. The last test case we will see with lots of images, putting it in one folder and run it. In this test case, I collected some of the 30 frames of images and put it in good luck folder. I can show you what is there in that image. This is just a initial shot, good luck version. So you can see these are the frames I am putting it, and I am going to run this using our program. It will be processing all the 30 frames as an image, and we will see the output now. So you can see all the images has been processed, and I used it in our initial shot. You can ask me the question, how come you converted this images into video? Right now I used Blender video editor software to do this job. I hope I have covered this demo session, and we will move to the end of the video. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. As a last note, you could find the same feature in the YouTube editor. In my opinion, it is using the tracking as well as blurring feature. So far, what is the difference, you can ask me. You have learned how it is implemented using deep learning method and the usage script, everything I have provided. I have provided the source code also for you to take a look and give me the feedback. If you find this information and source code useful, please share with your friends, especially to the college students. I hope this would help them also. I really appreciate your thoughts on comment section, and if there is any feedback or suggestion on new feature, you could comment there. I would take a look and try to implement this. Like the video and please subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye from Muzammil Ali.
Thank you for watching.